Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to go over the review problem in your math today. If you did not solve this problem yet, 435 take away 226, make sure you have a piece of paper and pencil and stop this video and solve this problem so we can go over it together to see if you got the answer correct. Okay? All right, so they want us to solve 435 take away 226. Well, the first thing that I always want students to do is estimate what their answer is going to be around so that they know when they get their answer if it sounds or if it seems like it could be the answer. So, for example, 435 is less than 450, which is right between 400 and 500. So I'm going to estimate this number as 400. 226 is also below 250, so I'm going to round that down to 200. So if I have 400 take away 200, I'm going to have 200 because 4 take away 2 is 2, so 200. So my answer should be within 100 of 200. If I'm getting a crazy answer like 600 or something that's below 100, I know that my answer cannot possibly be correct. So it's always good to have an idea in your mind of what your answer is going to be around. Okay, so one way I know that we have practiced a lot is drawing it. Okay, so let's draw our 435, 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it helps you to label your hundreds, tens, and ones, I suggest that you do that. So I'm just going to kind of draw this grid here. Okay, so we have our hundreds, our 400, our 3 tens, and our 5 ones. So now we need to take away 226. Okay, so let's look at this. Can I take 6 away from 5? I know you said no, so what do we have to do, boys and girls? I hope you said borrow. We need to go next door to Mr. 10's place and ask him if we can borrow a 10. So we are going to borrow this 10, and we're going to take it over here and draw our 10 ones. We're not taking it away. We're just breaking it into ones. Now we have enough to take away the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones left. I need to take away 2 tens, and I do have enough tens to take away. And remember, I didn't take that 10 away, I just borrowed it. So now I have 0 tens left. And I can take away 2 hundreds, and I'm left with 2. Now, the answer we got is 209. Is that close to the estimate of 200 that we made earlier? It is really close. So I'm definitely thinking that this is probably the right answer. But you know I always like you to check your work. So you could do a number line to check it. You could also add 209. You could draw 209, draw 226, join them together, and you should get 435 if it's the correct answer. I do want to go over the algorithm with you because I know I was practicing that with some students and they were getting good at it. So let's go over the algorithm. So if we have 435 and we want to take away 226. Just like here, I can't take 6 away from 5. So I'm going to go to my tens place and I'm going to borrow a 10. That's going to leave me with 2, and it's going to make this 15 because 10 plus 5 is 15. So now I need to take away 6 from 15. So I know 9 plus 6 equals 15, so I know 15 take away 6 would be 9. I know 2 take away 2 is 0, and I know 4 take away 2 is 2. So remember, in second grade, we need to know how to do this strategy. This you're going to be learning in third grade, but it's always good to get a head start on that. So if you want to try this out, that would be great practice for you. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope that everybody got the right answer. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.